Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back in our maths lecture. In this lecture, we are first revising last lecture's basic concepts. From that, all the concept and all the point I have written on this board. So, let's start revision. First topic is point. Point is a tiny dot which we can get with the help of sharp pencil or pen. This point can be named with the help of capital alphabet. Next is line segment. As you have seen here, line segment is a part of line. End points of this line segment deciding the limit or the length of the segment. Line segment can be named with segment AB or segment BA. Next concept is line. Line is a set of indefinite number of points. Line does not have any specific length. Arrowheads on the line shows that it can be extended unlimitedly. Next concept is ray. Ray is also a part of line. It starts at one point and extends in the same direction continuously. So, the ray can be written as ray PQ, but not as ray QP. As I told you, ray name cannot be given in both the ways. The point at which ray starts is called as origin. The arrowhead which we are putting on the ray is showing that it can be extended with any limit. Next is plane. A flat surface in mathematical language called as plane. Next is parallel line. What is parallel line? Two lines in the same plane never intersect with each other on extension are called as parallel lines. Opposite of that, intersecting line intersecting line are the lines which are in the same plane and on extension they intersect to each other. Also, we have seen that in a point or from a point, single point, we can draw more than two lines. So, the line which passing through one point are called as concurrent lines, whereas the point at which they meet to each other or intersect to each other is called as concurrence point. Next is collinear and non-collinear points. The points which are in a straight line or which lies in a straight line are called as collinear points, whereas the points which are not in a single line or not in a straight line are called as non-collinear points. So, I hope you all understand this all concepts. Now, let's start with our exercise. Let's start with our exercise or practice set 1. Students, if you don't have textbook with you, I am forwarding PDF copy of this exercise in our group. But the students who have their textbook with them, they can directly take it from their textbook and copy it in the book which they made for maths. And as I told you, there is no need to make a new notebook for maths or any subject. You can use your leftover notebooks from 5th standard. Okay, so let's start with our first question. If you can observe, here one figure is drawn, right? In this figure some questions are asked. What are the questions? Name the collinear points, name the rays, name the line segment, and name the line. And just orally solving all these exercises, you have to return it properly in your notebook. And after that also, you have any doubt regarding any question, you please put it in my personal. So starts with the first question, that is collinear point. See, as we know, the points which are in a line are only called as collinear points. If you can observe here, M, O, T are in a straight line, right? So you can write point M, point O, point T as answer, right? Next, or you can write like points MOT, and see here also you can see RON are also in a straight line, so they are also collinear points. So points MOT and points RON are collinear points. Next question is ray. See, ray means what? Starts with one origin and forward continuously in the opposite, in the same direction. So if we start from here, OT is name of ray, ON is also name of ray, OP is ray, OM, OR, OS. So how you can write? First write the word ray and then write ray ON, ray OT, ray OS, ray OR, ray OM, ray OP. Okay, fine with this. Then next, line segment. As we know, line segment means it's a part of line and it has a two end points. So first we have to see the line segment is RN. Line segment RN, and next is line segment MT. Okay, so these are the line segments. Next question is line. Here you can directly see the arrowheads in this straight line, and that is your lines. So line MT and line RN are the two lines in this figure. Okay, shall I repeat it again? See, collinear points, points MOT, RON, rays, ray ON, ray OP, ray OM, ray OT, ray OS, ray OR. Line segment, segment MT, segment RN. Line, line MT and line RN. Okay. Now the next question is write different line name. See here, starts with A and you can write line AB, then line AC, line AD. Then starts with B, line BC, line BD. Start with C, line CD. Okay, fine with this. Now come to the next question. Let's start with the next question, that is match the column. I know everyone is very much clever, so everyone can solve it fastly. See, the first is what? Line. See here, line is there, you match this two. Then the second is line segment. So here line segment. Third is plane, and the fourth one is ray. Okay. Okay. Now move to the next and the last question of this exercise. You have to observe this figure which I drawn, and by observing this figure you have to write some answers. See, first is parallel lines. In this, what are the which are the parallel lines? See, if you have observed this line B, line M and line Q. When I am extending these three lines, they never intersect to each other, and that's why these three lines are parallel. So line B, M, Q is one, and the second is line A and line P. On extension, they also not intersect to each other. That's why line A and line P also parallel to each other. Next is concurrent lines. As we know, lines which pass through one point are called as concurrent lines. So here line A, line B and line C are the concurrent lines, and here line P and line Q are the concurrent lines. Now the next question is concurrence point, or the points of concurrent. So the concurrence point in this case is A, and in this case is D. Here only one line is passing. That's why here no concurrent lines are there. Understand? Now this exercise is your homework, and this you have to solve in your notebook. Okay? Any doubt is there, you can ask me, as I told you. Now we will meet on Monday in our next lecture with the next topic, that is angle. Bye bye students, take care.